Menteri badi kami ikutrat kampo yang ke sarkar jela bala Pynrem Rymbui hakar santrik Jaïaw arjar par ulang baga ejahar ga baydai bagi kam shasho lada register bagi pulet bagi toket kadang ya chakmat kani ke jingkran Bah Rymbui kadai ka por bu juwa bagi jingkali na ginang tok khobor halo ke jingsa takti aru samla pule Jaïaw hak kanun girunar banyak dak tuk men hakar santrik Jaïaw arjar par Nagaliang Menteri kumcu Director General of Police ke jela Dr. LR Bishnoi la penpau ke Pynrem Juri ke berangti ban shoh dusman ni ke arngor ke samla bat ong baki politician ke sakem ke berangti.
See, in all this case, the FIR has been registered and investigation is on. I'm very hopeful that the police will be able to nab the culprit. And through this media, I want to say one thing, that I totally condemn this type of thing, which try to spread the hatred in the society. So the police is, as I said, investigating the case, and hopefully that in the next 24 hours, the police will be able to nab this culprit. I told you that FIR has been registered and investigation is on. There is no point of saying that nothing has happened. When FIR has been registered, I mean something has happened, and it's duty of the police to investigate and nab the culprit. Many arrests have been made and charge sheets also have been submitted, so it is not the instant case. So let's see. The district police have involved all the stakeholders, be the society, be the village member, and everything. And it's not good to mention particular area, but from our police department, we have identified what is the crucial area. That's why we are trying to monitor the situation, and that's why I'm very hopeful that we will be able to solve the case as early as possible.
Yesterday's incident, we are analyzing the CCTV footage. Once the CCTV footage, once identification of youth will be confirmed, after that follow-up action will be taken. Basically, I appeal all youth that by whatever reasons they are doing or under influence of liquors, they should stop it. And we will assist if any problem is there from their side. They should come forward, discuss with us openly instead of assaulting youth in public places. It will send wrong signals for the whole state. So my appeal to all youth is that they should avoid all these things.